Ever wondered why flamingos stand on one leg, or why they're pink? Welcome to a journey that will take us through the mesmerizing world of flamingos, unraveling the mysteries behind these beautiful creatures. This isn't just about their striking pink feathers or their peculiar one-legged stance. There's much more to these birds that meets the eye. Our quest today is to uncover 9 fascinating facts about flamingos that will leave you in awe. We'll delve into the reasons behind their unique behaviors and adaptations, and we'll even challenge some of the common misconceptions about these birds. From their tongue-twisting eating habits to their color-changing abilities, we have a lot to explore. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey. Are you curious about what makes these birds stand out in the avian world? Are you ready to have your mind blown by the astonishing world of flamingos? Well then, get ready to dive into the world of flamingos. Coming in at number 9, flamingos can stand on one leg for hours without getting tired. You may have seen this peculiar stance at the zoo or in nature documentaries. But why do flamingos do this? The answer lies in the name of energy conservation. Flamingos, like many birds, are warm-blooded. This means they need to maintain a constant body temperature, even in the face of varying environmental conditions. When a flamingo lifts one leg from the chilly water, it reduces the amount of heat lost to the cool environment, hence conserving body heat. This is not a small feat, mind you. It's a balancing act that requires a lot of strength and coordination. Yet, flamingos make it seem effortless, standing poised on one leg for hours, even while sleeping. So, if you thought balancing was difficult, imagine doing it for hours on end like a flamingo. At number 8, flamingos' tongues are larger than their beaks. Now, isn't that a fascinating fact? You would think the beak, the tool they use to forage and feed, would be the largest part. But no, it's the tongue that takes the cake. Flamingos have a unique feeding mechanism. They are filter feeders, using their tongues to pump water in and out of their mouths while their beak filters out the food. The tongue plays a vital role in this process. It's not just an ordinary tongue, it's a complex piece of machinery. The tongue of a flamingo is a robust, muscular organ. It's lined with bristles that work like a sieve, helping to filter out food from the water. The tongue's size and strength allow the flamingo to feed efficiently, even in challenging environments. So when you see a flamingo standing on one leg, filtering food with its beak, remember, yes, you heard it right, their tongues are larger than their beaks. At number 7, flamingos are not born pink. Now, isn't that surprising? These beautiful birds, known world over for their vibrant pink color, actually start their lives with a completely different palette. When flamingos are first hatched, they're adorned in dull gray or white feathers. So what causes this dramatic shift in color as they mature? Well, it all boils down to their diet. Flamingos feed largely on brine shrimp and blue-green algae, both rich sources of a natural pigment called carotenoids. It's these carotenoids, once digested, that give flamingos their distinctive pink hue. Depending on the specific types of food they consume and the amount of carotenoids present, the color intensity can vary, ranging from pale pink to a bright, almost reddish tint. In essence, the saying, "You are what you eat," holds quite literally true for these fascinating creatures. So, flamingos are essentially what they eat. At number 6, flamingos' legs are not actually curved. Now this might be a bit surprising considering how we often see their legs depicted in art or even in real life. But what if I told you that the curve you see is actually an illusion? Here's why. Flamingos' legs are structured in such a way that what we perceive as a backward knee is, in fact, their ankle. The actual knee is concealed by their feathers, closer to their body. The curve we see is the joint at the ankle bending forward, giving an illusion of a backward bending knee. Quite the deception, isn't it? So contrary to popular belief, flamingos have straight legs, just like us. Their unique leg structure simply allows them to stand tall and maintain balance even in water. Next time you see a flamingo, remember, it's all an illusion. At number 5, flamingos can sleep while standing on one leg. Now, isn't that something? Imagine being able to take a nap without needing to lie down. Well, that's just a day in the life of a flamingo. These fascinating birds have developed the unique ability to sleep while standing on one leg, a feat that might seem impossible to us humans. But for flamingos, it's as natural as breathing. They do this to conserve body heat, as standing on one leg reduces the amount of heat lost through their unfeathered limbs. Not only that, but their bodies are so well balanced that even a sleeping flamingo can maintain its balance effortlessly. And here's the cherry on top. They can switch legs without even waking up. So, while we're tossing and turning, trying to find the perfect sleeping position, flamingos are snoozing away, perfectly balanced on one leg. Talk about multitasking. And there you have it, the top 5 most amazing facts about flamingos. Let's take a moment to revisit these remarkable pieces of trivia that make these birds so fascinating. First up, we talked about their ability to stand on one leg for hours on end. It's a remarkable feat of balance and endurance that still baffles scientists to this day. Next, we examined their tongues, which are actually larger than their beaks. Not just that, their tongues are black and comb-like, designed to sieve food from water, a unique adaptation that certainly sets them apart. We then delved into the life cycle of these birds, highlighting how the chicks start off with grayish-white feathers. It's only as they mature, and their diet shifts to include more carotenoid-rich foods, that they develop that iconic pink hue. Our fourth point brought to light the illusion of their curved legs. Yes, what appears to be a backward knee is actually their ankle. Their legs are perfectly straight, with the bend being just a joint. Finally, we marveled at how flamingos can sleep while standing on one leg. It's an unusual habit that not only demonstrates their incredible balance but also their adaptability to their often harsh environments. So there you have it, an array of astounding facts that make flamingos such a curious subject of study. These birds are a testament to the wonders of evolution, exhibiting unique adaptations that enable them to thrive in their specific habitats. This is just a small glimpse into the amazing world of flamingos. There are still plenty of mysteries left to uncover, and each new discovery only adds to our fascination with these beautiful birds. Remember, nature is full of surprises, and flamingos are no exception. Thanks for watching.